TaleBot Fabels presents. He bought a typewriter that could rewrite the past. Nathan Cole was a failed writer. His first novel bombed, his agent ghosted him, and the blinking cursor on his laptop mocked him daily. In a haze of desperation, he wandered into a dusty old shop tucked between a bakery and a locksmith shop that wasn't there the day before. Among antiques and forgotten relics, he found it. A black vintage Remington typewriter, polished like it hadn't aged a day. A brass tag on it read, "Words shape reality. Type wisely." The owner, an old man with eyes too sharp for his age, offered it for $5. "Just promise you won't edit too much," he warned. Nathan laughed. Writers edited. That's what they did. That night, he typed the opening line of a story that had haunted him since college. My brother never took the motorcycle that night. The next morning, he woke to silence. No ambulance sirens, no phone calls, and no grief. Ben, his brother, was alive. Nathan raced outside and found Ben on the porch, sipping coffee like nothing had happened. Like the accident 10 years ago had never occurred. The past had changed. Stunned but intrigued, Nathan tested the typewriter again. He retyped moments of his life-lost jobs, failed relationships, even a childhood embarrassment during a spelling bee. Each time, reality bent to match the story he created. But it wasn't perfect. With each rewrite, something else fractured. The woman he had once dated now feared water. His childhood dog had never existed. Friends forgot entire pieces of their lives. Ben? He began sleepwalking, talking in tongues. And the more Nathan typed, the more he heard whispers from the machine. Words not his own appearing on the page. Echoes of futures rewritten too many times. He wanted to stop, but then he saw her Claire. The one that got away. He had driven her off in a moment of pride. Could he fix it? He typed. She never left. And the doorbell rang. There she stood, same smile, same eyes, but something behind them was off. Her laugh didn't sound right. She spoke in memories they never shared. Nathan realized, too late. He wasn't rewriting the past. He was overwriting reality and losing the original with every keystroke. On the final night, he sat before the typewriter with trembling hands. It began typing on its own. Now, he wishes he never bought the typewriter. Nathan screamed and ripped the page free. But the world outside had already changed. His house was now a bookstore. His name was on no records. Claire was gone again. So was Ben. Only the typewriter remained. And every night, it still types. Thanks for watching TaleBot Fables. If you enjoyed this twisty tale about time, choice, and consequences, please like, comment, and subscribe for more spine-tingling, thought-provoking stories. Channel videos every week.